I just wanted to wish Elvis a very special birthday. So I'll be cooking from my special cookbook. Are you hungry tonight? And I'm going to be cooking one of Elvis's favorite recipes. It's called Creamy Onion Casserole. We got to give this a try. I absolutely love this cookbook. It's just full of many exciting recipes, and I love all those pictures. Grab a skillet, 2 tablespoons of butter. I chopped up 2 small white onions. Let's add them to that butter and saute until nice and soft. And pour it into a prepared baking dish. Next, we make a roux with a tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon of flour. Let's blend that in and slowly stir in a cup of milk. I'm going to stir it constantly over medium heat until it thickens. Then add a little salt, nutmeg, and black pepper. And pour that over those onions. And finally, another tablespoon of butter. We're going to mix in some breadcrumbs, and let's sprinkle those on top. It's a very little side dish, so it must be just for him, I guess. We're going to bake this at 375 for about 20 minutes. Well, here we go. Elvis's Creamy Onion Casserole. It's very comforting. Love that creaminess to it. But what I like best is the nutmeg. I think I'll give it a 6.9 out of 10. What did Elvis bring to the tailgating party? Love me chicken tenders. Oh yeah, I'm all shook up.